For most people, the biggest financial challenge that they will face in their lifetime is saving enough money to retire comfortably.
Often, people think that the only way to achieve this is by working harder and harder, making a lot of money. Well, this is certainly one way to build wealth. It's not the only way though.
Yeah, exactly. In fact, one of the best ways to build wealth is through real estate. Real estate provides the opportunity to generate both passive and also active income. Passive income is money that is earned without having to work for it.
Yep, this money can be used to cover your living expenses so that you can work less and enjoy your life more.
Yes, landlords are one of the examples of passive income. If you purchase a property, then rent it out, you will receive monthly payments from your tenants that can be used to cover your mortgage, property taxes, and other expenses as well.
Yep, exactly. There are many ways to make money in real estate. You can be an active investor, landlord, flipping houses, be a real estate agent even like investing in REITs.
Yeah, no matter what your goals are, there will always be a way for you to make money in real estate, whether it is actively or passively.
In this video, we'll outline a few of most common methods to make money and building wealth in real estate. What's up everybody, welcome to VC, where we share about real estate, business and mindset. My name is Vincent.
And I'm Chloe. So building wealth with real estate can be a great way to secure your financial future, as most of the richest people in the world have a certain amount of their assets coming from real estate investing to preserve their money.
Yep, studies also found that the real estate has been effectively hedged against the inflation. Property value tends to stay on a steady upwards curve over time. So real estate investment can also offer investor potential recurring income and also keep pace with or exceeding inflation when they appreciate in value.
Due to the current economic crisis that was affected by the pandemic, the inflation rate has tremendously increased globally. Whether you're cash rich that is trying to hedge inflation or looking for an alternative to increase or expand your income stream.
Since you're watching this video, you might be wondering, how can I make money from real estate without spending a ton of money? Even starting from zero, literally. So there are a few ways that you can start doing right now.
Just a disclaimer, leveraging real estate to build wealth, whether it is from working actively in the real estate market or purely investing for passive income, it comes with risk. So make sure you've done your research and also consideration, be diligent before starting your real estate journey. With that being said, real estate can be a great way to build wealth.
Yep, there are two ways that you can make money from real estate. First one is the active income. Active income is the income that you earn from working, which requires you time. This can be from a job that you do while earning money out of it. Without working on it actively, you won't get to earn.
Yep, exactly. In this category, we differ into two parts. The first type of active income is from being a real estate agent. Real estate agents are commission earners by helping others buy, sell, or rent property, which means they don't receive a basic salary. In order to be a successful real estate agent, you need to be able to sell property, which requires time and effort.
Yeah, there is no basic salary, so you need to be prepared to work hard in order to make money.
Yet, this can be attractive to some people as it means they can earn an unlimited income.
Yep, however, this also means that the real estate agents are always on the go and also required to give up a lot of their time. So this can be tough for people who want to have a good work-life balance. It's also important to be aware that real estate agents needs to be very professional as they are dealing with people's home, which is a very personal and sensitive matter. By putting your client's needs first, that you are able to build trust with them.
Yes, being a real estate agent or realtor, or in a formal way to speak in Malaysia, is called real estate negotiator, which requires a license in order to work in this industry as you're dealing with people's well-being. In order to earn active income for real estate negotiator, they typically earn 3% of the property price. Let's say you've closed a deal, a property price of 500,000 with 3% commission, you'll be getting 15,000.
Yep, that's easy math, isn't it? So what's good about being a real estate negotiator is you don't need a ton of money in order to kickstart your journey. So what you need to do is join a real estate agency, get a license with a total of less than 1,000.
Yes, exactly. This is why I like service businesses, as they don't require as much capital to start generating income. Let's say you're currently working on your day job from 9 to 5 and you're still able to continue your side hustling after 6 by meeting clients and closing deals, especially businesses that are all going digitally. You can even meet your clients online, right? For example, your day job provides you with 3,000 monthly salary and you've closed the deal and earned 15,000, which then means that you've covered 5 months worth of salary.
Yeah, exactly. By the time that you close multiple cases and are able to leave your job to pursue your career as a real estate negotiator with a 6 to 12 months of emergency savings just in case things are not working as expected, you still have a time frame for you to work things out. So this is a business that transacts. Real estate, it doesn't require you to buy property to sell, so you don't need a big chunk of capital upfront cost to start. Yet it requires your time, real estate knowledge, sales and marketing skills, mortgage knowledge, and etc.
It won't be as easy as you thought, but it's definitely rewarding if you pay enough time and effort into it. If you want to know how you can kickstart your career as a real estate negotiator, you can check out the link in the description or contact us for more information about it.
Yep, the next active income is subletting or property management.
This is the phase that you don't require as much time as a real estate negotiator. Do it twice a month and you're able to generate passive income from it, but not so passive also. So what is subletting and how property management works?
Now, subletting basically means that renting out a property by a tenant to another tenant. So imagine today you are renting 3 bedrooms unit from a landlord that costs you like 3,000 and you rent it out to 3 tenants with a total of 3,008. So your profit gain is at 800, right? Other than that, you can start doing maybe a property management business by managing commercial properties for short-term stay, such as an Airbnb.
Yeah, you can simply rent a unit for 3,000, then rent it out daily and charge for 250 per night. And let's say your occupancy rate is up to 24 days, you'll be earning 6,000 and net at 3,000, which is double your investment. Imagine you're managing 20 properties at a time, you'll be generating an income source of 60,000 a month.
That means that you are going to generate rental profit without actually owning the property yourself, known as subleasing or rent to rent. Yet this must be consent by the landlord to run a business with their properties. With this method, you'll be required some upfront costs to kickstart your property management business, especially on the renovation side.
Yeah, of course. Running a subletting or property management will cost you some upfront costs to kickstart with. You can't expect simply to rent a place and re-rent it out and call it a day, right? With your effort in setting up the unit to become a co-living space or running a daily rental, you'll be able to generate a higher passive income, maybe.
Call it a hybrid?
Yeah, call it a hybrid.
Yeah, that makes sense. If you want to know more about subletting, you can check out this video up here. Now, passive income is the money that you earn from investment that you have made. So it is the money that you make on a regular basis and it's not from a job, right? Now let's get to the final way of earning in real estate. The proper passive income is by becoming an investor, landlord, that you might call it, right? By leveraging banks' money to build your wealth, as we call it leveraging income.
Yep. This is where you can really start leveraging bank money to earn more money. Lots of people will tell you how to get out of debt, but you need to know how to use debt instead of not the bad debts though.
Yeah, bad debt's bad.
Yeah.
Robert Kiyosaki very simply boiled down debts into 2 forms. So the good debt and the bad debt. So the bad debt is used to buy things that won't make you any money. For example, like using debts to buy like television, your Xbox, PS5, and it's not gonna make you money, right? Therefore, it's a bad debt. Late payment of credit cards that can cost you up to 18% of interest, or even debts for liabilities such as a car loan, personal loan, or even buying home is a liability as well, according to Robert Kiyosaki.
Yep.
So where you can check out our video about talking about that, why home is a liability, link in the description or there.
Yeah, good debt is used to create more money than the debt itself. An example of good debt might be taking up a mortgage loan on an investment property. Here's an example from real estate on how the rich use good debt as money to create wealth.
Yep, simple math. Let's assume that I have like 500,000 in cash and I'm going to invest into a property, right? 500,000 property that rent out around like 2,008 per month. You can find many properties like this if you look diligently. So I could use all of my money to purchase one property with 500,000, or I could use this good debt to buy 5 property with 500,000 properties, and then the bank would lend me like 425,000 for each property and would divide this 500,000 into 575,000 as a down payment.
Yep, let's say I'm paying a monthly mortgage of 2,300 while renting out for 2,800. I'm earning 500 monthly cash flow for a single unit. If you're planning to do subletting or even short-term stay, you could rent out at an even higher rental return. And this is what we call cash flow investing.
With cash flow, not only that you can cover your monthly installment for that property or generating some cash flow, but Now imagine if you have finished paying off all of the loan, right? The monthly installments, and now you have having 100% pure cash flow. So this cash flow can be used as income to help you with your next purchase, or even retire when you're earning like 50,000 a month just from passive income.
Yep, of course, purchasing a property may cost you a lot of upfront costs. We have listed a few videos about how you can purchase property with zero down payment and other relevant videos that we've made in the description. So go check it out after this video. So there are other ways to earn in real estate markets, such as flipping properties with capital appreciation or even investing into REITs as well. But here are the differences in how you can achieve your financial goal by generating income from real estate market.
Yep, before we wrap things up, if you have any more questions regarding real estate, feel free to message us at vcstate.co/contact and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you learned something from this video, feel free to give us a like and consider subscribing as we post weekly videos about real estate and business on this channel.
Now, by comparing active and passive income, these two types of incomes are different, but they both have the potential to build wealth. It is important to understand the differences between the two of those so you can make the best decision for your own financial situation.
Yet be diligent, continue to increase your financial education, and the more you understand how the market works, the more confident you are to making the right decisions. And someday, somehow, you become wealthy as well.
Yep, if you want to know the insides of being a real estate negotiator, you can check out this video right here. Or if you're wondering why purchasing a home is a liability, not an asset, you can check out this video right here. And we will see you on the other side. Ciao!